Hi guys, I'm Cody Jay and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have a pretty different video for you guys, but I think it's super fun and unique. So today I have a little bit of a DIY video that's going to be happening, and I am going to be showing you, if you are a fellow colorful creative makeup artist, how you can create your own colored false lashes. That's right. So you don't have to worry about where you can find them any longer, or if you only can find them around Halloween. Like, you can make your own custom false lashes, whatever color you want, any time of the year for no money. So keep on watching. Okay, so I'm really excited about this video because I think this is pretty fun and pretty unique, and I see a lot, especially around, you know, like Halloween, like the holidays, Christmas, stuff like that, where people are looking for colored lashes and don't know where to find them, or if they do eventually find them, they're too expensive and they don't want to spend the money. So I'm going to show you guys how you can take your own false lashes that you already have and turn them whatever color you want in only a couple very easy steps. So first, get your pair of lashes. So we're going to be using these lashes. They are not Tati lashes. I'm just using the container, but they look like this. Now what you're going to need is an eyeshadow palette or loose pigment, and you're also going to need a base. You're going to need a flat brush like this, and you're also going to need a brush like this that you can pack on some concealer. So we are going to be using the Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas eyeshadow base. Now, whatever base you have or concealer you have will work just fine. The lighter, the better. So we are going to take this, and I'm going to dip a little bit of the base out of here. I don't want too much, like that's way too much to start. So just put it in a lid or a surface, whatever you have, and stamp off the extra. We don't want to saturate these lashes. So what you're going to do, this is literally so easy. What you're going to do is you're going to start stamping the lashes all over with the base. It's that simple. Just go along the entire thing, do the band, do everything, because they're going to be very colorful, so you don't want just like the black band. But if you do want the black band, I just don't, but if you want the black band, you can obviously just be a little bit more careful and not put the concealer on it, but I want them to be all the same color. So literally just keep stamping the product on. Okay, once you have this first side done, you don't have to wait for them to dry. Just carefully peel them off, flip them over, and now you're going to start stamping the back on with that same base. Okay, so I have a pair set aside that I did a little bit ago just so I could, you know, film this video. So this pair has 2 coats of base on it, and it looks like this, and this is absolutely good enough. I want a hot medium pink lash. That's what I'm going to go for, so this is completely fine. If you want to do another layer or 2, it's just personal preference, and you can kind of play around with it and see what really works best for you and the type of lashes you're using. But for me, 2 complete coats was good enough. Okay, so to color them now, I'm going to take an eyeshadow palette. I'm taking the Morphe X Lisa Frank palette. She looks like this, and you could do whatever color you want. I don't think I would recommend doing shimmer. I just don't think it would show up. I mean, you can try. I don't know if it will. But I'm going to be using the color Puppy Love, which is this hot pink right there. So again, for the brush, I'm going to take this flat brush. Anything that's kind of like this where you can really pack on the product is what you need. Don't use a blending brush. Use a packing brush. Now again, you can use loose pigments. You can use whatever you want as long as it's super colorful. And I would say the more colorful, the better. So literally all you're going to do now is just stamp on the product. Now, I was doing this on a paper towel earlier, so it like didn't move around, so it's kind of like hard to do this in the container, so like sorry, but it works the same. So just stamp the product on like that. Now, once you have all of the pigment on, just like before, you're going to flip them around, and we are going to do the back of them. So again, I'm going to take the same product, the same pigment, just start stamping it on. Like, look how easily that colors it. It's literally almost no effort at all. You can do this again with any type of lash. You can do this with any type of color. You can literally make them whatever you want. So if you're a colorful makeup artist, or you're one that does all the cool like holiday stuff, this is perfect for you. Okay, so once you are all done and they have dried, this is what you have. That was rude. But this is what you have, a beautiful pink magenta kind of lash. Again, you can do this with any color you want, any type of lashes you want. And this is literally so cost effective because if you already have the lashes, you don't have to buy anything. So this is a very short video because it's pretty simple to do this, but I feel like a lot of people either don't know that they could do this or don't realize how easy it is. So I thought I would just try to bring you guys something a little bit different, but also useful, and show you how resourceful and easily resourceful you can be. So if you like this type of video and you'd like other little DIY kind of videos like this, please let me know in the comments below, and I will obviously give you all what you want, because at the end of the day, that's what this channel is all about, giving the people what they want. But that's really all I have for you guys today, and I really hope you enjoyed this type of video. But if you would like to keep up with all things Cody J, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and TikTok, all at Cody J Artistry. And of course, if you enjoyed today's video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below. Click that big red subscribe button so you can join my YouTube family. Turn on my video post notifications by clicking that bell icon and switching it to all. And I thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next one.